This is the Ardmore train station, and they've got a depot park. They've got a engine down here that I think people can go in and look at and tour. I'm going to check that out in a minute. I know you can't already see it. Let me see if I can zoom in there. There we go. I thought it was just kind of interesting. I believe they do. This is one of the stops that comes from Oklahoma City and goes to Texas for a passenger train trip. So I'm going to be checking that out the next time they're open to find out the details there. Hi guys, I'm down here at the Ardmore. Up here. Oops. There we go. Ardmore train station for the Heartland flyer. I just had seen this the other day and I thought that'd be kind of cool to check out. They've made them a little park here. People would be able to sit outside if they're stopping for a break here. So I just checked it out to see what it was all about. Now the Heartland flyer, it goes from Oklahoma City to somewhere in Texas. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look that up, and I'll put that in the description. But they've made these cool little swings here. Yep. That's kind of neat. Different. Pretty cool. They've got 3 of them lined up here. I'm kind of experimenting today. I used my GoPro a while ago for the first time to see if I can do any good at making a video with it, because I wasn't sure how to operate the thing. But I'm experimenting today. I just thought while I was in town I'd stop by here. I hadn't put out a video in a while, so I just thought I'd make this quick stop. It's got tables and chairs out here, benches for people to sit and have lunch at. And it's got this big old engine here that they've got set up. I'll get over here where you can see the whole thing. For display of the train station. Still didn't get all in there. I'm gonna get one out here a little farther. Nope, that ain't working. I guess I'm just not far enough out here. And I did it again. I made a boo-boo and did not turn my camera. The whole thing. There's the station and the park. Alright guys, we'll talk to y'all later.